that one so soon. I didn't mean to. I was trying to put the up button. And it kind of went poof. And yeah, let's just zoom out before it gets. Okay, stop playing with that. But I don't think they're gonna do any more fireworks. I don't know, comment down below if you think they're doing more fireworks. So that's, right now, if you can't, right now, I lost my sight of where they're at. Right there, I think? No, right. I don't know, we'll find out soon. You know. Yeah. It's an airplane. You guys don't see that shiny thing in the sky. And you don't hear that. Oh, it's cold. Okay, guys, I think that's it for now. Oh, man. And I'll come back to you guys as soon as I start again. Okay, guys, sorry I didn't show my face earlier, but yeah, I think that's it for now. I don't know, but comment down below which firework was your favorite. I put it in the other video. And yeah, so see y'all later.